You can go literally down. It's deep inside there, you see.
Young men showing off military weapons.
That's why I'm not stopping the video, because I want you guys to see like lifetime, like what's happening really.
Criminal organization.
Hello guys from Brazil, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I welcome you all. Right now I'm in Sao Paulo and it's my first time on American continent, so welcome to this new video. Sao Paulo is one of the most populated city in all of Americas, not just in Brazil. So look at the views here. Wow, all the tall building, so developed guys. But right few kilometers away there is one favela area which is actually a slum. So I think in Portuguese or in Brazil, slum is known as favelas. So I'll try to go there and show you the difference between this developed area and the favelas. The difference is crazy. It's a little bit difficult to go there alone, and I'm planning to go there alone. Can you imagine that? It is so risky, you know, anything can happen. There are a lot of gangs operation happening there and you can get kidnapped, robbed and whatnot. So welcome to this new video. Let's go and explore favelas. So guys, right now I'm in the safer area and actually going to one Chinese restaurant to eat food, and then we are going to go Praça Polis. Hopefully, many people have told me not to go there alone. I have some followers from Brazil on Instagram. Even they were like, don't go alone. So I don't know if I'm coming back alive today or not, but we'll find out. So guys, look at these streets. People are walking around. Everything is quite safe. No mafia, no gangs. So this area is like heaven. But now we have to go towards the favela. So guys, finally I have reached Chinese restaurant, and to be here, thank you, to be here feels like I'm in the back of the time. So of course Japanese, Lebanese, Chinese, these are the immigrants here in America. So in Brazil also there are so many Chinese people who are now Brazilian, like they speak Portuguese, they have Brazilian passport. And this is one of those restaurants, and food is so good. See, this is mixed vegetable and rice and some chili, but everything looks so old-fashioned Chinese culture. And one thing about Chinese restaurant that I love, that 90% of the time they make sure that there is no meat in the food if you tell them that you don't eat meat. If you go in Thailand, Malaysian restaurants, you will definitely find meat most of the time. But in Chinese, they understand that you don't eat meat. This is so good, and there is literally no trace of meat smell in this food. Wow. Yeah. So guys, I'm in the bus and we are going to the favela today, and I'm going literally alone. There is nobody, and I paid for this bus like 5 Brazilian real and 30 cents something. So there is a direct bus that is going to Paraisópolis. I cannot really pronounce this name, it's so difficult, but I'll mention on the screen. So I hope we don't get robbed, kidnapped or knife on the body. So let's go and see how is life in favelas. Apparently there is a very big contrast between the slum area and the high class neighborhood, and both the areas are like side to side, just like it happens in Mumbai, India. And this road is exactly the area where divide is insane. So on this side it's a favela area, the people who are not so rich and they are living in very tiny houses, And on this side of the road, right behind me, all these are big apartment buildings and companies. Whoa. So we are exactly on this road right now. So let's go and explore inside this area. भाई मैं जस्ट अभी एंटर हुई हूँ प्राइसोपोलिस में. एंड एक्चुअली यार ये जैसे टाउन टाइप की जगह दिख रही है, ठीक है, तो मतलब नॉर्मल है सब और लोगों ने मतलब अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं करा है. जस्ट एंटर्ड लाइक अ नॉर्मल टाउन एरिया, लाइक एक लोकेलिटी. क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. मतलब अभी तक तो यार कुछ नहीं हुआ है. होप यार मतलब चोरी चकारी ना हो. पहले थोड़ा बहुत चलते हैं इधर लोकेलिटी में, मार्केट एरिया में, उसके बाद मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ अच्छे से. लाइक आई लिटरली जस्ट एंटर्ड, लाइक जस्ट राइट नाउ. The guy is just cleaning the mat, so he said us to move aside. Oh. There is a kid who asked me my YouTube channel, so subscribe, okay? Okay, obrigado. Guys, this was my first impression. Like, yo, people are actually nice. He was like Instagrammer. I was like, no, YouTuber. So this is the favela area, guys. This is the locality Paraisópolis in Sao Paulo. भाई मेरे लिए अभी तक बहुत नॉर्मल है. Like, this is just a normal colony. We have so many such colonies in India. I don't know why people keep speaking shit about this area. Like, I heard so many bad things. Oh my goodness. So guys, one street behind there are like high apartments, building, shopping malls, and one street on this side, these are like normal houses how we used to have around the world like 50 years ago. That's it. That's the difference. You see behind. Hola. She was smiling. And actually there is one difference. So many people here look drunk. So yeah, no Portuguese. No Portuguese.
Ah, não fala português.
Hello.
Tudo bem?
Yes, good. Ooh, you? Really? Show. Guys, this is the account here. Wow, you can follow. Okay, me YouTube. Okay.
No.
Photo. Goodness, guys, everyone is calling me and everyone is like, hello, how are you? Who are those people who tell me I could get killed or kidnapped here? It's totally opposite. People are actually smiling and lifestyle is just normal. Only the difference is that these houses, you see, these buildings are very small. These are not high-rise apartments. But beside that, people are so kind here. This is the school. I think, yes, this is the school. Yeah, parking area inside the school. Nobody have disturbed me until now. Let's walk around more. I already love it. Welcome to first favela in Brazil. Guys, we just took this ice cream.
Débito, crédito?
Credit.
Crédito.
So guys, today finally I decided to come to favela, and I'm like, yo, why I was not here since so many days. I kept delaying it, and I'm so happy that I came here alone. I was not afraid. I didn't listen to words that news channel or people say about these areas. Actually, everybody is so kind. Everyone is living like a normal life. There is market for everything here, literally. And I'm right now having ice cream. So guys, this is acai berry, native to South America, especially from the Amazon region. So let's eat ice cream in favela. Let's try, and it's so delicious, to be honest. Wow. So yummy. So acai berries from South America, Amazon area. First time I tried it was in Angola. Strangely, it was available in airport. But yeah, in Brazil also, it's so good. And these are the streets. My goodness, you see, nobody's bothering me, literally. Like, everyone is so chill here. Like, literally so chill. Welcome. It's literally flowing, like, openly. Just look at this. Like, the sewage system is too bad, I think, in this area. You see how the water is flowing? But I'll say it again, nobody has disturbed me until now. Like, literally nobody. People are passing by, and yeah, that's about it. And I can see all kind of people here, like Indian looking people, African looking people, European, but all of them are Brazilian. Very mixed culture. Yo kids, this side is the construction going on. Oh, they are doing something with the road construction. No. Crazy high, crazy. But one thing also I see, so many single mothers. The main street, and right behind me there are houses like on the mountain area. You can go literally down. It's deep inside there, you see. Like, you literally go down. Like, I have to walk down below. Wow, this is like the residential area, exactly near to the main road. See, these are the stairs, and then you go down. This is the locality where people are living. Wow, there is nobody here, literally. All of this is houses, and I don't know why I am walking here, to be honest. But this was looking so interesting. So guys, the another thing I noticed here is this, that there are so many single mothers and so many young women who are pregnant. Wow, so many of them are here. And yeah, I don't know, maybe it's like a culture in Brazil or what's that. But yo, this is like really visible here on the streets. I'm not filming them. Sorry. I'm not filming these women, but like, it's so much. And the population that live here in this township is like 100,000 people. So this whole area accommodate 100,000 people. That's actually quite a lot. And total population in Sao Paulo is like 11.8 or 11.9 million. Crazy, a very big city. Wow, you guys, the uncle here is selling alcohol in his small shop. Another thing beside single moms, I also noticed that most people here are like drunk. So most people are like so drunk. side is giving vibes of Asia. Really, like it's so much energetic, so many markets, people are moving around. And actually, one of the gangs, like mafia boys, they stopped me and they were like, what are you doing here? Whom are you visiting with? And I was like, I'm alone. Then he asked me, how did you came here? I was like, I came in the bus. Then he wasted my little bit of time. He asked me some questions. Then he was like, okay, you can go. I was like, yeah, surely. I'm not staying here anyways. So this favela is not touristic like Rio. So the one that you see on Instagram a lot, that has been viral so much, that one is in Rio, I think. And that have hostels and tourism. But this is pretty local, like much more adventurous and much more local vibes. So we are just on our way back. It's evening time, literally 4:17. People recommended me to go here like early morning, but it's literally about to be like sunset very soon. The guy is offloading the stuff. School, another school. Wow. So interesting, guys. Few hours spent in favela. I think I'm here like 3 hours or something like that. It was amazing. So if you're in Sao Paulo and you want to see this place, you can come alone. I mean, I won't say 100%, but it's not as crazy as people say. Like, you can really walk alone. You see, I'm not even cutting the video. It's going continuously and so many people are passing by. And it's mostly very safe and okay. Like, that's why I'm not stopping the video, because I want you guys to see like live time, like what's happening really. So that's the only reason I'm not turning off the camera. Crazy. Nice, let's go. And so many bikes here, man. So many bikes. Even the bikes are like Asian vibes here. Crazy. So guys, to go back we have to take the bus again, and for the bus we have to take this pathway, so which is like 300 meter of stairs, and then we reach the destination for the bus. And see this cool tattoo shop right across here. So cool. So this is the alley that you have to cross to reach the bus again. See, this area is a little bit dirty, not so clean, but even people are living on this side. Oh my goodness, this guy have decorated his house with so many plants. This looks so good. Wow, his house is like plants and plants and plants. Interesting, guys. Many artistic people live here. You know, so many artists come out of this area. But most people don't speak English, so they really cannot understand what I'm saying right now. Nice, let's go back. So guys, I came back to the safer area, as you would say. So in this area, it's not favela, but wow, my goodness, it was amazing. Like, not too bad. There was a moment when few people, 1 or 2 people, they stopped me and they were like, please don't film here, blah blah blah. Some people here are criminal, they don't like their video to be taken. I was like, I'm not filming anybody, I'm just filming myself, and I'm taking permission. If I'm filming like the alcohol shop of the uncle, So then, but it was like normal, and then I left the place. That's it. But wow, I went solo. People usually don't go here solo, so I would say it was okay, not too bad. Alone also, if you want to go, you can go. So this was Sao Paulo favela here, Paraísopolis, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Right now I'm just going to the supermarket to get some water. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Crazy times in Brazil, so excited to explore more. But I think before we go to Amazon, we'll already be passing around Argentina. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.